be a kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Andito ulit kami ngayon guys sa may sapa. Yan. Magtataan kami mamayang hapon pangkasili. At saka mamayang gabi mangunguha ulit kami ng palaka. Manghunting ulit kami ng palaka mamayang gabi. Yan. Dito kami sa sapa guys oh. Medyo malabo yung tubig guys kasi bumaha kagabi. Yan, oh. Mamingwit muna kami ng paitan para ipain natin sa kasili. Ipain nito. Daming paitan dito guys.
Jackpot guys.
Guys, ang laki guys. Guys, ang laki paitan. Discount mga master. Ang laki paitan guys. Fish on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective.
Guys, maghintay na lang kami ng mag alas 7 o alas 8 ng gabi kasi mangunguha kami ng palaka. Nagtaan ako kanina guys, pangkasili, mga 10 taan yung inilagay ko. Yan. Papandawin namin yun mamaya. Mangunguha muna ako ngayon ng bukway. Ito ang sidlan ko sa kuha ko na bukway. Kasi habang naghihintay kaming gumabi, mangunguha muna ako ng bukway. Subukan ko baka may bukway ngayon kasi bago lang bumaha. Malabo pa yung tubig sa sapa. Yan. Diyan ako mangunguha ng bukway guys. Diyan. Bukway guys, bukway guys.
Two hours later.
Dapat nakahuli. Yan. Yes, nakahuli ako ng uwang.
Oh no.
Laki. Ang laking uwang guys. Guys, ang laking uwang. Yan guys. Jackpot guys. Nakahuli tayo ng uwang. Laki guys oh.
A few moments later.
Guys, may nakita kami ditong malaking sawa guys. Nadaanan namin malaking sawa. Ayun oh. Yan guys, ang laking sawa guys. Yan. Malaking sawa nakita namin. Guys. Guys, malaking sawa guys oh. Yan guys oh. Yan.
Tomorrow.
Ayun guys, ito ng mga huli namin kahapon guys at saka kagabi. Mga may malit akong kuha na bukway. Meron din kaming mga kuha kagabi na mga palaka at saka uwang guys oh. Ito yung maliit na bukway na nakuha ko kahapon guys. Ayun oh. Ayan. At saka ito yung iba namin kuha kagabi, uwang. At saka meron din kaming mga kuha na palaka. Alas 2 na kami ng madaling umaga nakauwi guys. Kasi malayo yung pinuntahan naming sapa sa pangunguha namin ng palaka. Yan. Guys, ulam ng bibi namin. Bukway at saka uwang.